Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create an email design using Canva. First open Google and type canva.com. Click on the first link. Once you are on the Canva homepage, you can either search for email templates using the search bar on the top right or customize your own size. To do that, click on the custom size button below the search bar. Now enter your desired width and height, then click create design. A new interface will open. Click on the menu icon and adjust your page size if needed. Next, click on the Uploads button on the left side. If you want to add an image from your PC, click Upload Files. I already have some images here, so I'm selecting one from below. Since I'm making a food related email, I'm using this food image and adjusting it as the logo. Now click on Elements and add a shape, resize and position it as needed. Then click on Text and choose Add a heading. Adjust the text positioning and formatting. Add a subheading and format it as well. At the top, click on the color icon to change text or background colors. Choose any color you like. Next, add more images using the Uploads tab and adjust their size and placement. You can also change heading colors, increase or decrease font size, or make text bold or italic. Again, go to Elements, add another shape, and customize its color and corner rounding using the curve icon. Here you can write about your work. If needed, add another image and place it wherever it fits best. As you can see, I've changed the background color on the top section too. Now go to text, click add a little bit of the body text and write any content you want. Adjust the text as needed, add another shape and inside that add product images, resize and position them. Create a new shape and in the space between write some lines about your product. Now add more images to those shapes and adjust them. Next to the logo on the top, let's add a button. Click on Elements and in the search bar type button. Avoid any button with a crown icon, those are pro. Choose a free button, add it to your design and adjust it. You can then add your website link or phone number to it. And now your email design is ready. To download it, click the share icon on the top right, then click download. Choose your preferred format and click the final download icon. Your email is now downloaded and ready to be shared. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.